The following is an infection that occurs in the respiratory system. Tuberculosis. 2. Which one of the following records the electrical activity of muscle tissue in determining the strength of muscle contractions as the muscle is stimulated? Electromyography, dextromyography. 3. A patient has been diagnosed with meningitis. Inflammation surrounding the brain and spinal cord. 4. Which is a malignant neoplasm originating in the skin? Melanoma. 5. The adrenal glands are found in which system? Endocrine. 6. What is the function of a pacemaker? Uses electrical impulses to control the heart rhythm. 7. Which of the following is not an integumentary lymph node? 8. A thoracoscopy is performed. Examination of the pleural cavity through an endoscope. 9. In medical terminology, suffixes indicate the procedure, condition, disorder, of disease which term contains a suffix. Neuralgia. 10. Provider documents the patient has pruritus. This means localized or generalized itching. 11. The spleen is in what organ system? Lymphatic. 12. A colposcopy is a surgical technique for repairing what organ system? Female genital. 13. Which captain modifier can be used to bypass an NCCI edit in certain circumstances when appropriate? 59. 14. What does HIPAA stand for? Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act. 15. Which is a true statement for place of service, POS, codes for professional claims? Reporting an incorrect POS in where a physician's service was provided may result in a denial of a claim. 16. Which punctuation is used in the ICD-10 tabular list to denote synonyms, alternative wording, or explanatory phrases? Brackets. 17. According to the ICD-10 guidelines, what code is reported as an additional code when the blood pressure of a patient with hypertension remains above goal in spite of the use of antihypertensive medications? I1AO, resistant hypertension. 19. What coding scenario is reported for code 82272? Patient has bleeding ulcer and the test is performed for diagnostic purposes to rule out Crohn's disease. 20. Which one of the following is creating a surgical incision into a patient's abdomen? Laparotomy. 21. What does the suffix refi mean? Surgical repair by suture. 22. What is done when a surgeon performs a bilateral oophorectomy? Removal of both ovaries. 23. Which place of service code is submitted in the claim for a service that is performed in an urgent care facility? Answer 20. 24. Which service is not included in the surgical global package? Initial consultation of the problem by the surgeon to determine the need for surgery. 25. What criteria must be met to append modifier 24 to an EM service during the patient's global surgery period? The EM service occurs during the postoperative period of another procedure. 26. In the ICD-10 codebook, which of the following is not true about the abbreviation NOS? A. It is the abbreviation for, not otherwise specified. B. It signifies that the record lacks information for assigning a more specific code. C. It is the equivalent of unspecified. D. It signifies that even though the medical record is specific, the condition is not elsewhere classifiable. 28. Which punctuation is used in the ICD-10 alphabetic index to enclose supplementary words that may be present or absent in the statement of a disease or procedure without affecting the code number to which it is assigned? A brackets B, semicolon. C, parentheses D, colons. 29. According to the ICD-10 guidelines, for hypertensive cerebrovascular disease, what is the sequencing of codes? A. Assign the appropriate hypertension code, followed by the appropriate code from categories 160 to 169. B. Assign the appropriate code from categories 160,169, followed by the appropriate hypertension code. C. Assign a code from category 116, hypertensive crisis, followed by the appropriate hypertension code. D. Assign a code from category 127, other pulmonary heart diseases, followed by the appropriate hypertension code. 30. Which statement is false in reporting a personal history ICD-10 code? A. A personal history code is acceptable on any medical record regardless of the reason of the visit. B. A personal history code is reported when the patient's condition is no longer present or being treated. C. A personal history code can be reported as a first listed code when the reason for encounter is for a screening. D. A personal history code can be reported with follow-up codes. 31. Which statement is not true regarding the ICD-10 coding guidelines for bumps? A necrosis of burned skin should be coded as a non-healed bump. B. If the patient has burns of varying degrees in the same anatomic site, assign separate codes for each degree bump. C. The burns codes are also for burns resulting from electricity and radiation. D. Sequence first the code that reflects the highest degree of burn when more than one burn is present. 32. Which one of the following is the surgical repair of anatomic and functional disorders in the eye? Ophthalmoplasty. 33. A punch is placed and pushed downward to obtain a tissue sample for a biopsy of the lunula. What anatomical structure is being biopsied? Nail. 34. Operation performed. Right brachial cephalic arteriovenous fistula, AVF, placement based on the documentation. Where was the fistula placed? Arm. 35. Federal healthcare plans include which payer? Medicaid. 36. The Medicare program has multiple parts covering different services. Which part provides coverage for outpatient physician changes? Part B. 37. Which two rules must entities covered under HIPAA comply to? Privacy rule and security rule. 38. 4. According to CPT guidelines, which scenario best represents the correct use of modifier 78? A. Patient had an open inguinal hernia repair 2 weeks ago. He is in the doctor's office because the surgical wound is bleeding. The physician cleans the wound and applies wound adhesive to reclose a small opening. B. The patient has an abscess under the diaphragm from an appendectomy. He is returned to the OR for the same physician who performed the appendectomy to drain the abscess. C. A patient returning to the ED in the same day for the same ED physician to perform an extensive anterior packing for hemostasis a second time. D. Patient had an appendectomy 3 days ago in the hospital. The patient developed a fever and receiving an IV antibiotic for treatment. 39. Which one of the following activities when performed is not considered when selecting an EM service level based on time? A. Documenting clinical information in the patient's medical record. B. Time spent on other services that are reported separately. C. Ordering medications, tests, and/or procedures. D. Preparting to see the patent, le rentive of tests. 40. Which one of the following is an example of a case in which a diabetes-related problem exists and the code for diabetes is never sequenced first? If the patient has an underdose of insulin due to an insulin pump malfunction. अगर physician के अपने office